Welcome to the vibrant world of the golden pheasant. This stunning bird is known for its vivid colors and unique behavior. This handsome fellow isn't just about looks. He's always preening and grooming to keep his feathers in top shape. Now, here are the ladies. Unlike their colorful male counterpart, female golden pheasants are more subdued in color but no less beautiful. Watch as they enjoy a playful moment together, showing off their own charm. These birds are highly social, and this playful interaction is a perfect display of their friendly nature. And we're back to our showstopper. The male golden pheasant loves the spotlight, whether he's showing off his vibrant feathers or just enjoying some alone time. This is a perfect reminder of the incredible diversity and beauty found in the natural world. The golden pheasant, with its striking colors and graceful movements, is a true symbol of nature's artistry. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the colorful life of the golden pheasant.